Asantefo ne hwanom wo de kogo so a me ama betwafo afiri ade ebuadi nam de kogu ho
Asantefo ne hwanom kogo so a na betwafo afiri buadi e de odi omkodi a
Asantefo ne hwanom ebechem me kokun ho nam chem ne ema munti nam dem toye
Asantefo ne hwanom ko bechem ko ko ho no cha ne ema nti na odi to bechem
Asantefo ne hwanom asokore nam de kogu brekum
Asantefo ne hwanom asokore fo no odi omkogu brekum
achem ne asunafo ye frɛ krofrom koye
Nice GH.
Abusuafo enra mbeka kyerɛw mbeka kyerɛw sɛ wohwɛ sɛ de Ghanafoɔ hypocrisy nyaatwom ahyɛ bi mu ma meka saa asɛm no ebi mu nte ase nsɛm bi ɛkɔɔ so ɛba ɛtwi kasa ne asante kasa ɛpɛsɛ ɛdidi dwuma nipa bi magye agyinam twintwan ayɛ ne pampe sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɔmo nte ase da nanso ɔmo yɛ ho hwee nye yi ne nkosi agantin yɛwura nsɛm bi a emre bi ɔkan a ɔde tu dwa kyekye sɛ de asante atrete ebi mpokɔ nipa a ɔtwe no yɛ asante ni ba onim yinti yɛwura ma
Asantefo ne hwanom wo de kogo so a me ama betwafo afiri ade ebuadi nam de kogu ho
Asantefo ne hwanom kogo so a na betwafo afiri buadi e de odi omkodi a
Asantefo ne hwanom ebechem me kokun ho nam chem ne ema munti nam dem toye
Asantefo ne hwanom ko bechem ko ko ho no cha ne ema nti na odi to bechem
Asantefo ne hwanom asokore nam de kogu brekum
Asantefo ne hwanom asokore fo no odi omkogu brekum
achem ne asunafo ye frɛ krofrom koye eno ade kro no a
wasi achem ne asrafo afiri krofrom koye no wo ma na kotra
no nananam didue
wasi no nananam didie
ko ya me koduru bra hafo ho nyina me anam kyekye ma ade
so ma koduru bra ho nyina no ade kyekye ade
me ara nam me nkrofo kogu ho
so ma no de nkrofo kogu ho
na ni nyinara ani asante a yede te
wasi nyina ni asante
wohwɛ ayɛwura kyekye na asante ɔse bechem baabi a na ɔkɔ akon na ɔkyɛ ne nneɛma mu na ɔde wɔto bechem na wohwɛ ɔno ana kyekyere buno ne ahafo ɔno ana de na ne nkrɔfo afiri asɔkɔre ɔde wɔn kokogu brekum nti na yɛ sɛ asante yɛ ɔman asante nyɛ kuro nti sɛ ɔse asante kasa no eni baabi a ɔho na ɛsere pa onti ase so apetro ne mache so wetimi akwa akɔhyepo saa pepepe ne tie na misem no nyɛ sɛ bi a ene no ensem bi won ma me se maka nsɛm bebre afa yɛwura de wayɛ ho maka ne school sɛm ne ade na tie yi sɛ de wokɔmanhia a otumi nyina ba fam na sɛ wona ase wo de wo tumi ne ade a otumi nyina bɛba fam na wanhwe a wankasa kora no wani so bebriw no me se ensem ɛkɔ so ewom sɛ bi awerɛ ho de ne nso makeka bi abom a efa baabi no me se anika awerɛ na anika papa wobɛsrɛ wo wo de yɛnhwɛ mmra yɛba yɛbɛto aso
bibi anfa no ogina we twi fa no ya ba menhia ne ba yie na ye yisika sa yemfo bi afa sika mra ne afa mo yewura ensa wantua bi da ogina we wo ba ne mpabo akura won kaso busa na ozo last week busa o say when you say you betu ni to on kan mpabo
Quase está no mais já você. Não, o stress não, o sujo não, o não quer ficar com a diferença no outro do outro. O para acabar nem quer o uso no total. Não, eu não sou. Mas não acho já você.
Oh, o fraco, não vai ficar com a essência. Vai.
When peace is going, nobody will know who's the same in this case. Tell the come out and says that. Abo timsa. Why not?
Yewra, uko ahipia wotimu a wanwa. Check your so. Ese ya peti red gold.
Ese bom no menu na fa. Anya utufo huhu anka. Anya pa sita ne ka. So den ke stress e tu jada. Nso ya ni huhu nti. Ka se na ne di.
I'm trying. Now we're in for Unikai. Is a power of us or do get it here? So far, now about to walk or fat and Tanqua, who do you I don't know. Now,
that's what better than watching you. That's a room. I think I'm going to look for. Is that one room who are
Yora onyansa akuta ko opia na nanu ni no enti ono aso nso wa ye bojo wa ye me ani ma tetrete anama media meka ne se jan kwan
nyasa mempe mi e ka se mu wie ne nko akọ mami yi me se ma
koso e o bejira ye ro anim ayi asoma Asante na obetu ayi anim e acha me anim
Dedi kan fianso ni ada na wo kwa bodom
mira wo mu be ka no be kumfo anim se yen ka se
yewra se dedi kan fianso de enti na wo ko na wo be ka no be kumfo anim
wo be ka no be kumfo anim se be kumire ba o se yen ka se no wie na se ko bodoma wo be kumi
ana ASANTEHENE de abodoma shawasa na yese wo ko ha ibi kum fianso ni wo ko na wo ba kosa
but o ma ko tutu abo me da ahuni na
ti wo ko yewra na iso no nteno nti so ma kwa wo nya no na to bu na kati na ma ye kwan na na ye nhwe de be ye no ansa ukopia ono adi ukopia eni e basoto ukofa no ma nye ko bia nto e ko bo su bonja ye nto ya de e bi ala wa eni na uma jina hai wa ono ma ye nto yero kusie ko fa de bia na ira mo teba no ja to kusie wa smart o jina wa ria na anya bibia no sa ko ira mo na ti oko yero we san ko tena ko di bone pa so de we ye sa anya wo de to a anso o say e wo so wani so blue e ko kakra na fe wani so ato wo yira wo ayira mo
Mas se aconteça algum bom, ele é feito bem. Assim é que eu posso.
Tudo bem, eu posso.
Se aconteça algum bom,
Você sei. Eu vou buscar não. Olha tu só uma coisa. A dizer é assim.
Eu que vai
A coisa. Se não não, eu dizer você. Tu ainda ninguém está.
Mas se aconteça algum bom.
Já tu bem muito, já tu bem muito. ASANTEHENE anu asem. Wati jadum ha. Se o pacho man. Ele wati. Ele. ASANTEHENE anu asem na so jadum o so pacho man.
And as a phone be friend, Madama. There was an hour dominant. As who come for so I say, was in the come for say Jimmy for one. Me na make at all. Me with the accordance in her. And then the Panabusa said, now so come for Jimmy for the send your own Jimmy for him. Yawa no Onua na Bonamana. Yankan Tumna, Yankataso, Rubia, Kotobi. The other was it Unuma Beduachi. And he said, Papa, a duachi, a bonia, a duachi. Oh, the end, a duachi. And shout. The real was saying, when you are saying, man, find a way to make a warning. Now, on the way to imagine ASANTEHENE in the good woman. Oh, also, Tia and I say, I don't want to come on, and you are down, or no how to know, Dada. The Antano, never.
Giano. Ele leva, eu não vou dizer assim, também não posso ser mal.
Mestre, meu para Menisu.
E o povo da beira.
Odupon kese etutu. Asante ahwra de. Enokre asante yoman. Asante aye bia bo ewiase. Asante aye oman. Asante ahwra de. Because what and now ultimate me nipa we oboa man na ultimate me no unu so ya asante ni enso fofie antwata ahwe ne kra Dr Thomas Mensah ono na boaye e ma yetimi send pictures ono na boaye ma yetimi send videos ni ade to YouTube mo nya bi hwe Facebook ono na boaye na TikTok ultimi ye video bia ne ade bia ne wo ya na wani age no e asante ni Dr Thomas Mensah e ya na me raho say papa ya no monta nche wanyini kakra ne nso nimdia nyame dia mani nyina no odeko me wura ho yi pa oka ho bi na invented drones oka enyoma bebre no ye inti Dr Mensah the last words ansana anase oba Ghana ni komodi odi ye e angel yenti mra
any yeah strong
okay
now fiber optics no a thin glass even in your studio right here you have fiber optics there you know on the television the fiber optics is in the black cable. That's why you have high definition TV. Wow. So fiber optics is very important. It applies to everything. Now fiber optics is a thin glass. Now normally that thin glass, utochia na break it. Utochia na break it. That was the problem they were having when we created. We knew you can send Facebook pictures using fiber optics. We knew you can send Instagram. You can send YouTube videos and all that. But it took 15 years in the lab. They couldn't move it till Dr. Mensah got there. When I got there, within 1 year, I solved the problem. I moved it from lab all the way to industry and commercialization. And now, immediately, Facebook took off. Immediately, Amazon took off. Immediately, Google took off. Wow. Now, because I did that, well, now I have thin glass. Now, problem, they said, we are glass now. Now, one melted glass, you know, in what we call RF radio frequency furnace, 2,000 degrees C. We are pulling down to set taffy.
Okay.
Well, to the level where it is like a woman's hair. We pull it down.
I think.
Very thin. Now, now the coating be a shadow. Because 1 year, now, most of my inventions are on the draw tower, which is about, 3 or 4 stories high. So I have 7 patents in 6 years, just on that alone. Well, I have many patents, but 7 patents, 6, all on fiber optics. Well, it's me na me said ye be ya, would a coating sheswa, protective coating.
Coating.
No one winding on a spool. So winding on a spool now they are shakeable. Well, all my patents are on that. Well, worldwide, competing with Japan entities, Sumitomo and everybody. Well, I was the leader in that. Then immediately, well, because said ufa phone now. Pictures in there travel at the speed of light, 186,000 feet per second. To press it send there. Well, who press it send there? Now what? Bogatanga. Who press it send there? Now Australia. Who press it send there? Now China. Who press it send there? America. Well, so we did it. Well. And that's how I got all these awards. You saw Ashley calling me he called me one of the greatest minds of the 21st century.
That's it.
When they call you that means, hey, you have a responsibility.
You done something, yeah.
That's why that's the highest award I can have. Yeah. Nobody can give me an award better than that. Nowhere in the world. Well, now, it's important to say, you move beyond. Fiber optics, you will Facebook, you will BBR. But you trainer. It will change Ghana, transforming Ghana, creating 1 million jobs in Ghana.
I want a question just to inspire the youth who are listening to you near there. Because as experimenter, a whole lab for 15 years, that could not be moved from beyond the lab for commercial usage in the industry using the kakano. Who do you were able to move it within 1 year.
Yes.
What's your background?
Well, I'm starting as a chemical engineer.
Chemical engineer.
From a disco to KNUST, and the French gave me scholarship all the way to Montpellier University. Well, but I'm scholarship. And then from Montpellier University, another scholarship to MIT. I sit on the board of MIT, which is one of the top engineering schools in the world. And so, but because Ghana is so far, I had to work in all these areas.
I see.
You'd be shocked. 10 different areas.
I see.
I have 30 professors at the Silicon Valley, teaching kids, teaching them all the areas from drones, all the way to fiber optics, all the way to nanotechnology. I'm teaching all of them because Ghana needs to be moved. We are a sleeping giant. The sleeping.
Where have you been?
Well, I thought things were going well. I was working on big things. No, America, doc, come and help us. No, invite him. No, that's why I came.
Okay.
That's why I came. Well, Kufuor came to America. I talked to him and all that. But now everybody's realizing, the whole world is realizing that, oh, Dr. Mensah, if he can design the Patrice Lumumba bullet train for DRC, Dr. Mensah can do a lot of things. Now, I tell you one thing. I brought another billionaire group to Ghana just last week from Germany. Strong.
Yeah.
They built $1.6 billion refinery for Russia.
A then refinery?
Yeah.
Gold refinery?
No.
A then refinery?
No, petroleum. From crude to gasoline.
Yeah.
I'm catching them say, $1 billion. They say they will do it. $1 billion. And I'll build a second refinery in Ghana and put it over there at Takoradi. So, because refinery weigh about 60 years old, 45 years old or more.
The one in Tema.
The one in Tema. I've been went and
I know you to be young.
Well, in fact, I'm looking at both places. Whether to put it next to this one. And I'm build tank farm, say best store be beer. So I'm looking at both options. So
and I'm saying that indeed they
we are going to do it.
Okay.
Oh, we are going to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll be back in January. We are going to do the second refinery in Ghana.
Send crude in commercial quantities. You know, we will not take the raw crude outside the shores of Ghana.
Like we are doing now. We'll refine it here.
And then we do point is here to Miraho pa neso ukurade aya na nkwa ntumi nje esrese onyame mfa ne krensi sabe pepe na ntie wo na se metwa so a de ote krawe ene brawe ngoma so kuntun kantambobo ose tutu nyam kese de oboni dia ntimi ntina se de onim anim mu ni machire de on fa wasem kodan no ma won sensitive yewura the warrior king, the king of prime time on hina oya de man penifo agye ho abodini asantemewura Africa ina agye watum nana nkwaso eye bosumi edi anim ya kana kakra bi na yewura mu se medical catch say enche na yewura edi 25 years anase mfie adununum ebra ofro abenwan na ohwe se de wasi atoto nyoma ahye nyoma medical catch dada say obey clean up exercise obedi animu na obey ebu asantema baby asantema koka bi ebi o medical catch mu sa cho na enyoma bi a mpese me highlight na hu anase me kano me yi ne kire na hu se ampa enyoma bi se ana ebia na wa adwimpo nkra nko so se bia o ebi ne den yewura Ghana Post ha ma dwen se om de yewura eti beto stamp so ebe kakra okota de ne de stamp bo ho a yewura ne da so e de hye ne munyam afesu yewura be sa launch stem ye ka stem a ebia na wonim stem no eye nkora o maba ye tete wo mu wo abefo nimdie anase akosi bi oni be kasa technology what the technology ebe tete mo frei on se medical me chiro video bi aya se wanya akofo no maye eye shepe ko nsu ase a e detect enyoma ayira wo nsu ase na bibia de nsu ase anso ha o musa to aso be ye aeroplane ama netu anso ha me saka cho se yewura akobie stem anase AI lab enche bia e won nyoma oye otumfo foundation sa nyoma nyina obe launch no asemu kena pa chada mi bold din a mi say bold din bi we no no so support yewura no ye enye poade be kumase isan say ansana enso beto no ne adwae na afodada because me ram nane asisi I want him nka bi ma makraw mi da so hwe subscribe na share na obi a wanya bi no enhwe bi said be next time we drop video bi a musabeka bi makraw
o se tutu ya me gasi mi wura samrai mi wura eja wa dwedwe no ho kakra opanyin fefe oni monyamfo obrempon asante brempon do te krawe ani brawe so ono na wo kwa obehia no wo ba obesa hia no se tutu ya me gasi mi wura mi bo awisia o Oje tutu ya mi kese. No fu tabla ba trisa no fu so. Miura, me ma piafo na me mo anyado. Asantema da wase. Miura, asantema da wase o. Wona wase si asantema ma ne. Ya ba santidia empempem. Ano pepepepe. Akasa mo. Ose tutu nya mi kese. Ibo mo azu awisi o miura. Esumu anyado, esumu nkroto miura.